The name is Barbarossa. As long as he can remember, he has always loved the sea. All day long he could sit on the shore and admire the water surface. The water seemed alive to him. That's how he met the sea brothers, Luka and Nereus. Together they could spend the whole day carelessly splashing in the sea. And in the evenings, sit in the sunset rays and tell each other stories about sea adventures. After listening to the stories, Barbarossa decided to become a navigator. He got on a pirate ship that was robbing merchant ships. Years later, the fox got stronger and he no longer likes to survive at the expense of honest sailors. He wanted exciting adventures, so that legends would be made about him. Having challenged the captain, he was able to win in a fierce battle. But the price was the right eye. Since then, he has traveled more than 1,000 journeys. And each was an exciting adventure. He achieved his dream, he became a legendary pirate. He overcomes all obstacles playfully and with a smile on his face.